friends, to my channel here at Jessica Myrose. We have an unboxing and review of two products that Sgile sent me to review for you. This is a great season for doing this because I keep giving you more gift ideas for your loved ones, especially for those ages that are a little bit tricky, but these products can be great for adults or it can be great for kids. They are featured from like 3, 4, 5 years old up to 12 years old. So they can be entertaining for a wide range of ages. They're really fun and interactive. So let's go ahead and unbox. We have one, it's a robot, and the other one is a motorized or a little remote control car. So let's go ahead and unbox this. And if you happen to be brand new to my channel, please go ahead and give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and comment down below. Thank you so much for joining me today, and let's go ahead and begin. Alright, so we have the RC robot from Sgile. You can see it's like a regular robot, white and blue. It has the remote control and it's very interactive. So let's go ahead and open this up, and then we are gonna open this one up, which is the race car. I am so excited. Even me as an adult and as a woman, I think that little remote control cars are so much fun. So I am excited to see what they do and how they work. Let's go ahead and open it up. Here we have the actual robot. You guys can see what it looks like. It's really cute and how big of a size it is. It's not too big, but it's big enough to be able to carry it if you're traveling for the holidays and have kids playing with this. It comes with a charger with this type of cord and the remote control to be able to control it. You can see it right here. And the user manual right here. And if you guys haven't checked out Sgile website, they have a wide variety of like little toys and products like that. So we're gonna go ahead and get the batteries on the remote control to see how it's really fun. It has a lot of different functions. It has a volume to be able to decrease or increase the volume. It also has a sensor program where it basically follows the direction of your hands, and also it has 3 different type of dance moves. You can program it to do different things, and it also avoids different obstacles as it has those sensors. And yeah, it looks so fun. Let's go get it and make it test here.
Hello, buddy. I'm your new partner, Airlock. I have a lot of skills. I can sing and dance. Yo ho, my friends, come on. Let's rock and roll. Music.
Okay, let's move on to the next device. We have the Sgile race car, and it's rated for 6+ years old. So let's go ahead and open it up and see what it comes with and test it out for you guys. Okay, so we're gonna go ahead and put the battery on the car, and it just clips on here. There's that. And you put the cover on. There's the cover. And the little screw. And there it is. So you can center these to the middle. You power the car on right here. And I have to do the same thing for the remote control. Okay, so you can see it's very simple to hold the remote control. This is a turning gear, so you can see the tires changing gear. If you switch the tire forward, if you switch it back, it goes to the left. And then if you push the trigger here in, it goes forward. If you push it back like that, it goes backwards. All right, you guys, how fun was that? I completely enjoy driving it. I need a little more practice because I am not a very good driver of this, but I'm sure it can, you know, go through obstacles and be so much fun for a whole family activity for kids to enjoy, and probably my husband too. So I hope you enjoyed today's video, and also thank you so much, Sgile, for giving me the chance to work with you and check your products out and review them for you as well. So without further ado, I will let you guys go, but don't forget to check out Sgile's website and their information and the products that I share with you here. They will be down in the description below for you to check them out. And again, thank you so much. I hope that you guys have an amazing holiday season, and if you want to enjoy more of my content, go check out on my channel. I have tons of videos from homemaking, lifestyle, motherhood, cooking videos, unboxing, and much more. So until the next one, you guys, I will see you guys then. Bye.